welcome to HP Calcs. I'm Rick, and today we're going to be looking at scientific notation on the TI-30Xa calculator. Scientific notation is a way to simplify long, complex numbers. To use scientific notation on this calculator is a simple matter. Let's try this with 1 million. Alright, if we wanted to transform this into scientific notation, we would press second function, 5. And there you have 1 million in scientific notation. Now, if we wanted to take this out of scientific notation, we would press second function, 4. And we're back to our full digit number. This also works for very small numbers. Alright, there we have 0.00001. And if we wanted to put this in scientific notation, again, we would go second function, 5. And now you can see we have 1 and -5. And again, to get back, we go second function, 4. And we're back where we started. Alright, I hope this helps, and good luck on those tests.